Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. As you can see in the title down below, we're going to talk all things Disney pins today. I can't remember what video it was, but I'm not a huge pin collector. I am very late to the game, but I have been collecting pins for probably the last 3 or 4 years, and so I feel like I have a lot for myself, but I know compared to other pin collectors, it is not a lot at all. So today I'm going to show you all of the pins in my collection. I do have duplicates of some of these, and those are like in a bag, who knows where. I think it's in my like travel stuff, because those are the ones I take to the parks with me to trade. Pin trading, just want to note, hasn't been huge in the parks, I would say, since the start of COVID in 2020. They have this new like box thing where you just like pick a number. Depending on the cast member, they might be like, you're not like set on that number if you get a pin that you don't like. But before 2020, pin trading was really big in the parks. All the cast members would have like a lanyard or like a little pouch with their pins, and normally you'd get 2 pins for trading one of yours. Hopefully that'll come back one day. It will, but right now pin trading isn't huge. I haven't done a lot of pin trading. I've only done it a couple times, but if you're interested in that, definitely just like search Disney pin trading on YouTube and you will find hundreds, thousands probably, videos of pin trading. And the Lefersons are big pin traders as well, so make sure you go and check out their channel. So let's get started. I'm going to show you all of the pins that I have in my collection. This pins that I'm going to show you is from one of the yearly collections that they did in 2019. So in the middle it says it's kind of fun to do the impossible, Walt Disney World. You could buy one of these little things. I think they've had it in January, and I don't know if they've ever brought it back. They don't have it now, but this is what you could get to put your pins on. So every month they had a theme. They had a quote, pin. I'll link my mug video down below. I showed all the mugs with the quotes as well. And then they had plushes that had the quote on it. So each month also had a pin set of 3 pins. So they had the quote frame and then 2 characters that were a part of it. This just lives on my back door here, and I think it's really cute. I really love this holder, and so I don't know if I would ever take these off and put them somewhere else, because it just looks really cute right there. So here is my original pin board. It is above my desk. This was a cork color, and I ended up just spray painting it white. It actually worked really well. I wasn't sure how great the spray paint would work on the cork, but it picked up really nicely. So this used to be organized. It is not very organized anymore. I used to have 2 postcards on here as well, but I got more pins, and so I had to take the other one off. I had and just took the board off the wall because this will be easier to show you. So in this corner right here, I have just a couple of my attraction pins. So I have Mickey and Minnie's, Incredicoaster, Slinky Dog. I have 2 Splash Mountain ones, and then it goes into Epcot festivals and just random. I have a Skyliner pin. Probably should put that with the resorts that I have, and then just a couple other random Disneyland ones. These Taylor Swift inspired Disney pins. I think they're from Pixie Lee & Co. She doesn't have them anymore. But I'm pretty sure she made those. I'm not 100% sure. Up here I have my donut series. Those are really cute. And then I have some Disney movie pins. So Pocahontas, Tangled Inside Out, Luca. And then for Mickey's 90th, they had a couple fun pins. So I have those. I love this series. I can't remember what they're called at this very moment, but they make like the rides into little faces and stuff. It's really cute. Is a pin from France Pavilion and Epcot. Then these ones are just kind of random. These are the Tsum Tsums. They don't really, I don't even think they do those anymore. These ones are cute down here. Those are like the little Funko Pops. These pins right here are from BB Brooke. She used to do like a pin a month. That was years ago, you guys, years ago that she did that. And so I have those ones. And then she did a collaboration with one of her friends and they made this little pin right there. Then I just have some random ones. I have some cute wedding ones that I purchased on our honeymoon. I got these little Disney macaroons. These were the only pins that I think I traded and got the blue one and I pulled the purple one in something. I can't remember. I think it was like a mystery box and I was so happy because I love macaroons and purple is my favorite color, so I was very excited about that. Pin boards are up here and I have not organized these really. I just threw our resort ones up there and then some new ones I've gotten, and then I did an unbagging of all of these. I'll link that in the description down below. That was a very intense unbagging. For close-up of these ones, these are the individual feelings from Inside Out. I really loved these when they were first released and I never got them. And then they went on sale for like $5. I was so excited and I knew I had needed to grab them all. This one right here is from the Vault collection for the 50th anniversary. Of course, I have to have Mr. Pascal. This pin is probably the only Star Wars pin I will ever own, it unless I get like a Baby Yoda one. And then I am a Disney Visa member. I know you're all surprised. And they have like pins every year, and that was this year's. Again, with the Vault collection, I love the back scratchers, so I knew I had to have the pin set. Virtual run this year, you also got a little pin that looked like the metal. These are my newest pins that I got on our last trip, the Candlelight Processional and then the 2 Christmas ones. 3 pins are from the 50th anniversary. I unboxed those little Christmas ones. They're so cute. I love them so much. I have a Radiator Springs 50th anniversary pin, and then all of the little Pixar ones. And over here on this pin board are all of the resorts that we've stayed at so far, and then a couple DVC pins. I don't think, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't have one for Old Key West, and I need to get one next time we go because I've stayed at Old Key West my entire life, so definitely need a pin for that. But these ones up here are for the Riviera, and then this one, oh, that one is Old Key West. I was wrong. That's the Old Key West one. And then we stayed at the beach club for our honeymoon. I really love that one. And then this is just another Disney Vacation Club pin. This is Wilderness Lodge and Pop Century. And then these two down here are just Disney Vacation Club as well. It's kind of a bad shadow on that one. And then this is one of the newest ones I've gotten. I have this entire book of pins. I have a love-hate relationship with this book. It is so cute and actually very well made. This is from the Minnie Mouse, the main attraction, which was 2020. So they got this pin with the book, and then you had spots that you could put each of the pin sets. So it's kind of like the quote one, but they created this book, and yes, I'm missing one. Still haven't been able to get it. I need to check eBay again. It is the number, it's number 3, March. March was so hard to get. So I have all of the Minnie Mouse main attraction items except the pins from March, because that was the first time they didn't put the items in the store. They just put them online because March 2020, we all know what happened happened then. And so I still don't have March. I really need to go look on eBay because since it's been a while, I'm sure the prices are a little lower, but hopefully I'll be able to get the 3rd series of this set one day. I cannot even remember. I feel like it was the carousel, but I could be wrong. But that's why it was so hard to get March, because previous months it was in the store in the parks, but then when the parks closed down, they just released everything online and didn't like up the stock. It was kind of a hot mess. Do you want me to show you? I'm showing my pins right now. It's not Casey Vlogs. It's the pin vlog. And 6 was Peter Pan. That was also a very popular one. Try not to get my shadow in there. And then 7 was the Tiki Room. And that's like kind of what the ears looked like too that you could get, and then Minnie looked like that. The other items, oh, so 7 was the carousel. I don't remember what 3 was. I'll have to go look that up. And then 8 was Dumbo. 9 was the Big Thunder Mountain. And 10 is the Haunted Mansion for October. 11 was Jungle Cruise, and I just realized how cool that pin is. And then 12 was like fireworks or like Magic Kingdom or something. So that one is pretty cute as well. And then they had areas in the back that you could like write and post pictures and stuff. I do really love that Minnie Mouse attraction book, but then my pins are stuck in there and I can't have them like out and about in my office. So I don't know, maybe one day I'll go through and pull a couple of them out or find like a separate pin board just for them. But that's it. That's my pin collection. It's not very big. It is continuously growing. Now I have one of these for my 2 nephews and my niece, and we get them a pin every time we go to Walt Disney World. We go quite often, so I used to just get them like a gift, a little toy. That was getting a little too much, and I like never knew what to get them. And so now I just pick out a pin for them each time, and they really enjoy coming back and putting the pin on their pin board. I'm getting them started way earlier than I got started, but I hope you enjoyed today's video all about my pin collection. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, do you guys collect pins? Which one is your favorite? If not, which one was your favorite that I showed you today? I have a different favorite all of the time. Right now, my favorite is probably the Riviera Christmas tree. I did a haul of when I got that, and I'll link that down below. It is also in my Vlogmas playlist, so make sure you guys go and check that out. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye!